Excellence El Carmen. Here we are in the lobby. This resort is, I don't know, maybe 3 years old. Beautiful entry here. I'm at Excellence El Carmen in Punta Cana, and I am up on a rooftop terrace. What a view from here. And this can be the perfect location for an adult-only wedding. Look at the space here. In the evening, absolutely beautiful. And you've got the whole private bar area. We're doing a site, so we've got people, agents walking around, but what a great area for a private event. I'm here at Excellence El Carmen and getting a quick room tour of the junior suite. This will be either pool view or garden view. The room setup itself is pretty much the same no matter what category you choose. It's just going to be the view, the location of the building, and the different extras. So for example, this has a jacuzzi. This is a lead-in room category, so all of the rooms will have that, but then you can see, and this is a beautiful patio area, you can see you can also do the private swim up pool here. So you've got your own private pool with a great lounge area down there. So, and here's a view this way. Beach will be all the way down there. It's around 800 square feet. So again, beautiful lounge area outdoors, and then coming back into your room. Here is Excellence El Carmen, and we are at the beachfront. I wanted to get a video of the beach here. So you can see the sand is more of a yellowish color. There are some waves out here, but it's a really nice beach